So I have the ACOM prototype here. It's two different devices. This here is the first device, and it's got a screen, which is kind of like one of those screens that you'll see at like the cash register at a gas station or something. Like you can click the buttons to indicate which type of patient, and then you can also touch on the screen, and you touch on the screen to input the patient condition. And then this flips over to our other screen, which will obviously digitally switch to in a real thing. But then it pulls up a map and tells you, like, shows you the closest hospitals and which ones, but it only shows you the ones that are open. And then you have all the readings down there, and in the back of it, you have a couple of the subsystems, one being the transmitter, which transmits data and also receives data and communicates. And then you have the thermal printer right here is the roll of tape, or the roll of bracelets, and then the thermal head and plate and roller, and it comes out, prints a bracelet like that. And then the other device is the one that sits on the desk of a hospital, and it literally just displays the number of beds that they have available for said type of patient. And these are switches that you just switch on and off to indicate if you're still accepting that patient or not. And both of these are made to scale. This is actually going to be the size of them, which isn't too bad. And we made the housing on CAD or on SolidWorks, and then we laser printed it and glued them together. The thermal printer is tape and wood and a spring from a pen. And then we have actual buttons and actual switches, and then the screens and everything else is made out of cardboard. And yeah, our prototype, it answered the call for proposals because it provided a way for emergency responders and healthcare workers to do their job more efficiently, especially in the time of a large crisis or large destruction. Some unique aspects of it are that it's like actually a physical, tangible form of communication, so it's less prone to error than talking over the phone. And it answers our problem definition, which was healthcare workers not having a good enough communication system to be ready and organized in a large crisis such as COVID. And this solved that. Thanks.